I'm back. This is Janet. I'm back. Manifesting success. Manifesting success. I hope you can hear me. I'm back at the same place because yesterday I made a video about community colleges, and this is a follow-up because I told you when you leave comments, I'll come back and help you through the comments because sometimes I can't answer all your questions, but what I do, I read your comments and come back and respond. So yesterday I made a video about stop speculating about visiting visa, tourist visa, and apply to F1 student visa, F1 in community colleges. And some people asked some questions. I thought, why not? I can replicate this again. This place is very close to my job. It's a matter of walking distance. So if you're here yesterday, this is a continuation. I'm here to report to you some of the questions people are asking, okay? Continue manifesting. Did you see the title? This year is about manifesting and attracting success, manifesting and attracting visas, manifesting and attracting success through community colleges. And we talked about that yesterday. How do we manifest success? By changing our visas in community colleges and doing nursing and getting a green card and ending up in IT and getting a green card and finding love and getting a green card. I mean, it's the beginning of everything, okay? Janet is also manifesting. I'm manifesting. I wish I can share with you some of the things I'm manifesting. Can you see? Can you see? I don't know if you can see some of the things I'm manifesting. What's that? Okay, that's my check. Google, okay? Janet is manifesting success. That is my check. YouTube, okay? I'm gonna manifest success on Facebook. I manifest success on YouTube. I'm manifesting success everywhere, and I'm manifesting by improving our lives, okay? So today, let's focus. I'm going to answer some of your questions real quick, share with your friends who came yesterday and they are not back yet. First question, Janet, can we apply for community colleges if we are home? Yes, of course. The only reason I was saying change is because many people come here on visiting visa and stay on it and don't know how to use the visiting visa to manifest success. So if you didn't watch the video yesterday, go down here and watch it. That's why we manifested success yesterday. For those who already have a visiting visa, or for those who will get visiting visas in the future. And another one is like, Janet, mine is tourist, mine is business, who cares? B1, B2, same thing. Same thing, B1, B2, same visa, okay? There's no difference. So just understand that B visa is B visa, and you can manifest using other temporary visas. Some of you fear too much. All you need is to ask questions, apply. If they say no, they say no. But what you can't do is to sit there and not try your luck, okay? Okay, how much do community colleges cost? If you haven't watched my video, please always scroll down. Janet has covered all these topics. I gave you a list of the cheapest community colleges in America, the cheapest universities in America. All you need is to follow Janet Rangi, scroll down here, go on YouTube, janetrangi.com. You'll see all those videos, okay? Bank statements, that's another thing that came up. Janet, I do not have a bank statement. You know why? Me, I've come to believe those people who want success will always find it. Ask your friends, ask your cousins, ask your uncles. Go, you ask. Those who ask, it shall be given. That's what the Bible said. Ask, and it shall be given to you. Don't believe in obstacles. Janet does not believe in obstacles. I believe in trying my luck before I look for obstacles. If you look for obstacles, they'll find you. And if you think everyone was a millionaire before they come here, you're wrong. Manifest from your thoughts and attract success. So do not start with obstacles. I know finding bank statements is not easy, but have you asked? It doesn't have to be your mother. It doesn't have to be your father, your uncle. It can be a friend. It could be that lawyer that you know in town. It could be just that family that is doing well. If they don't have, they know someone. And by the way, you can use as bank statements from in the United States, Canada, wherever. And you can use it in the embassy or you can use it anywhere. Okay, you can use those things anywhere. I'm trying to, grades. I love this one. I love this one. Grades. I love grades. Anyone can come here. If you got an A, a D, just graduate high school. Okay? Community colleges are like technical schools. Some of you call them trade schools. Some of you call polytechnics. And yes, at home they require a lot of marks. Here, no. They are here to teach you skills. Show up. That's all they need. And by the way, they're everywhere. That's another thing I forgot to tell you. Almost all cities and towns in America have a community college, so it doesn't matter where you go. They're everywhere. They're in thousands and thousands and waiting for people like you, by the way. You think they're waiting for anyone else? They're waiting for people like you. If you got a D, apply. Don't even tell them you got a D. You just go there and say, I want a course. Okay, this is what you need to do, A, B, C, D. If you got an F, apply. Okay? I don't know if you'll go through the embassy, but if you're here in America already, apply. Okay? If you got an F, in fact, apply. Did you graduate? Yes. Okay? If you got a D, apply. If you got a C, apply. If you have a PhD, apply. Okay? I mean, it's for everyone. Everyone will apply. Okay? So don't worry. Okay? Can the embassy call the banks to find out about bank statements? Anything we present to the embassy, be ready for them to verify. Do they do it? Maybe no. Not always. But they've seen these things. They've worked on these things. They've trained on these things. They know what to expect. And they know when they see suspicion. So always make sure everything you're doing with them is legit. Okay? Everything you do with the embassy has to be legit. Okay? By the way, those who missed yesterday, this is the same campus. This is the same campus. Like yesterday, I told you it's a beautiful place. That's the campus. Community college. Community college. I work somewhere close by. And I said, I'll come here. Right now, there are not so many students. I see some of them, I think they are going for football or something. This is a community college. Community college for us, waiting for us, okay? Waiting for us. That's a community college. I'll be doing these videos. I am a very, very visual person. Very visual. I like to look very realistic. So that when you're thinking about these things, they don't look impossible. What have you said? So if you go down here in the comments, I told you, comments are not just for Janet. Comments are for all of us. Comments are for all of us, not just Janet. And Janet goes through them. She doesn't have to reply you, but look, she has replied in your video, and the same questions are helping hundreds of people. Okay? So some people, oh, Janet, I'm 42. Oh, Janet, my age, who cares? In fact, if you're 60, they will respect you. They're like, oh, wow. This one is really determined. If you're 74, change. Who said 74-year-old, so stop living? If you're 68 and you want to go to a community college, apply. Did I answer your question? So age is never a problem. Don't make problems that do not exist. Don't make up problems that do not exist. Okay? I love you so much for watching. I hope I covered some of the burning questions. Okay? That is our next community college. Some of you, Janet, give us the names. Watch. I'm not going to be deal with laziness. Go down here. I love you. Okay? I'm not saying any of you is lazy. But go down here, scroll. You will meet videos that you've never seen before. Or go to Janet Rangi on YouTube, okay? Or janetrangi.com. You will see videos you have never seen before, okay? And I'm sorry for taking your time. I know in America right now, too much politics. As you can see, Janet is all about manifesting. When people are watching politics, Janet is manifesting success. Did I show you? If you're coming late, if you think Janet is lying to you, I'm not lying. What's that? It's Google. Google, okay? That's the hard work. I work hard, I get rewarded. That's my check. That's my check. That's my check. It takes hard work, okay? But I'll go catch up with politics, cook, clean, but I still have to do my videos and respond to my followers, okay? Adios, merci beaucoup, muchas gracias. Kwaheri, asante. Thank you so much for watching. I love you for coming. Share. This is a continuation from yesterday. Okay? As you can tell, yesterday there was snow. There's still some snow. Can you see? Okay? Janet is here to show you this is a real community college. Okay? This is a real place. Okay? I can show you around, but I wish, this is a community college. This is why I want you people to apply. And I told you, if you apply, what are the benefits? Student visa. Go watch again the video of the benefits of student visas. You will get driver's license. You will get a social security number. You will be able to get a work permit, OPT, CPT. You will get a green card if you do nursing. You will get information technology ID. Information technology, you will get a green card or H1B, and you'll be successful. You will find love and you'll be successful. This is the beginning of manifesting success. It always begins with a decision. Janet is here manifesting. Go watch the politics. I will see you in the next video. Okay? Merci beaucoup. Muchas gracias. Kwaheri. Adios. Salam alaikum. Thank you so much and bye-bye. See you in the next video. Bye.